Good morning, friends. This is Vivek. Welcomes you all on your own YouTube channel, Grow Well Technically. Friends, today we are analyze a currency pair which is generally known as USD Jpy. Friends, you can observe it here. It is a very good. This currency pair is in very nice uptrend. You can see, friends, here. Every time it is making new highs. You can see after breaking this 131.3 level, it is goes to 139, and after breaking 139.5 it is goes to 145. So this pair is in very good uptrend. But friends, we can observe something here. After breaking this 139.3 level, it goes to directly 145. But friends, this time it is barely able to make new highs. It is stuck in this level, that is 145 near about. And you can also observe some things here. Every time it is trading above this pivot level, which is a weekly pivot, and this time, friends, this is trading near this pivot, which is near about 140 143.2. And you can also observe a merge of signal line and MACD line on this MACD chart. So there are some bearish indicator on the chart, but friends, we will not make any assumption. We will trading according to our level to level. Friends, if you can see it is in a consolidation mode now, so we will wait for this breakout. If this pair break this 145 level with a big bullish candle, we will go for long, and our first target will be 147. 147, I get this target with the help of Fibonacci. So if break 145, we will go for long, and our first target will be 147. And if it break this level, which is last swing of this high, which is near about 141.5. If this pair break this 141.5, we will go for short, and our first target will be 139.5, and second target will be 131.5. So we will take some confirmation. First, it should break for a short. It should trade below this pivot point, first thing. And second, it should break this last swing low. After all this confirmation, we will go for short, and if break above this swing high, that is 145, we will go for long, and our first target will be 147. This is all, friend. If you like this analyze, please subscribe and like my channel. Good day. Thank you.